How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make grid in Photoshop. So first things first, click File, select New, and then you could go ahead and basically create a new file regardless. And then you want to make sure that the background content is transparent. And you want to go ahead and adjust this from pixels to inches. Same thing with this one. Change the width to 10 inches. Same thing with the height. And resolution is going to be 300. Click on create, and you also want to make sure that you have the enabled rulers. So that's going to be inside view, and we have rulers. You then want to drag and drop the grid right here and make sure that they are on the exact center of your design right here. Same thing with the left one. Now that they're here, you want to select or put a line. So it's going to be this button. Right click on it, click line tool, and then you just want to drag and drop your line across the ruler that we have made. Of course, you could also adjust the width right here according to the how big you want your grid to be, and same thing with the actual fill. So you just want to make sure that it is black. You then want to click on edit, and then we have the define pattern option. From here, I'm just going to name this pattern grid. Click OK, head over to your main design. From here, you then want to select layer. You have the new fill layer, click pattern, click OK, and then you want to make sure to select the pattern that we just made. And of course, you could click snap to origin and adjust the scale the way you want to. So for example, let's go ahead and do something like 20%. It will then show up like this. And of course, you could reduce this even further if you want to, but that's how you go ahead and make a grid in Photoshop. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.